Okay, hello YouTube! Welcome back to my channel. Okay, ito yung Tagalog version ng unboxing dito sa aking channel. Question, ano ba tong package na dumating? Tingnan natin, check out natin. Okay, delivered via LBC with a total amount na 2,891. Okay, of course kasama na yun yung shipment, okay? Ito, ang package na dumating ay Cat6 Outdoor. Medyo malaki kasi isang roll to. So gawin natin, unbox natin together. Alright. Ayun gagawin natin ngayon. Once again, Tagalog version. Okay. Ito gamit ko. Alright. So, let's do this. Ayan na. Outdoor Cat6. Check natin yung quality ng ng product, kung pasok ba talaga sa standards, kasi syempre gagamitin natin to for outdoor use. Kasi in the first place, yung the way nila i-promote to sa nilang advertisement is Outdoor Cat6 heavy duty daw. So we'll see. Once again, ito in-order ko via Lazada online. Ayan. Ang hirap mag-unbox tapos nag-video. Yung isang kamay nasa camera, isang kamay hawak na ito, at saka nag-unboxing. Okay, ito na po. Ayan na. Okay, brand na ito, Comlink Outdoor Waterproof Cat6 UTP, okay, network cable, 4 pairs, 23A WG, 0.53mm solid CCA wire, okay. So hopefully pure copper ang laman nito. So pull out natin yung unit. Aray ko po, medyo mabigat. Alright, there you go. Ito na po, mga tropang YouTubers. Mabigat, makapal yung kable. Okay, model number 0D-CCA53 outdoor network cable, Cat6 cable. Okay, haba nito 305 meters. So ayun, dito yung dulo. Ayun natin, unseal muna natin to kahit dito sa end part lang, para at least makita nyo yung quality ng wire. Ayan na, we're back. Pasensya, medyo naubos yung phone storage earlier. Okay, ito na po, binuksan ko na yung niya, tapos yan po yung laman ng ng Cat5. Yung gitna may may parang guide na plastic, pure copper din yung laman. So yung outer part ng kable heavy duty, makapal, matigas. Okay, so there you go, na-meet niya expectation ko. So far, it's really good quality wire for outdoor. And by the way, ito gagamitin to for P2P or point-to-point internet access. So I highly recommend this Cat6 UTP cable. Alright, ito po. Okay, so by the way, kung new kayo sa channel na to, please hit subscribe, comment, and share. Well, of course, support niyo po local YouTubers. So that's it. Once again, thank you po. I leave you this message once again with all the videos na ginawa ko. Last closing message: practice and make sure you do it yourself. Salamat po, YouTube.